guide. Wala pwede. Pero sabi niya kasi ano niya eh. Hindi naman nakaano ata pindot.
Sino?
Yan, sa'yo.
Ano pindot?
Hindi ko naktumas ha.
Labangir, oo.
Hindi chinelas ko.
Lama sa pulagi ko kayo ni kakabal ka dyan sa
Ay, nagkaman tinagan. Ay, maisin bola.
Oh. Ni? Oh, ganda nga ng buhangin, oh. Mga lumot.
Sabi kasi ng iba nang dumi ko siya, pero hindi ko siya. Kapag season ko talaga, January to March, ganyan ko talaga. Tapos kung siya. Ay, talaga mga ano.
Wow, naging uban ko na. Ayoko magkulay ng buhok, lalala.
Guys, and nice to meet you all in behalf of our captain and our boat crews, okay? So welcome on Boracay Island, guys. So this will be our starting point, station 1, and also our ending point of the tour. Okay, so on this trip we have 4 to 5 hours maximum of tour, and we also have 4 destinations to go. Okay, and the rest of the beaches is for sightseeing. You're gonna see it along the way later. So the first one that we're gonna go ahead on our first snorkeling on Coral Garden. So that is the first and last snorkeling of this tour, guys. So if you want to do the snorkeling, you are gonna do it on Coral Garden. So that is our first and last snorkeling. But we need to pay 100 pesos per person for those who want to go down for the snorkeling fee. But the snorkeling gear is already provided by the boat. Okay, you can use that one whatever you want later. So we're gonna stay there around 30 minutes only. And after that one, our second stop will be our Crystal Cove Island. Crystal Cove Island is a private island, guys. So it has a additional payment also, 300 pesos entrance fee. And then you can enjoy the 2 caves inside, 2 underground caves. And then we have majestic view also called Mini Batanes or Mini Bali, Indonesia. So we're gonna explore that whole island for 1 hour. Okay? After that, our third stop will be our lunch. So most of us, we were gonna have a buffet lunch later. Okay, so you can eat all you want. Okay. After that one, our fourth stop, it's either Balinghay Beach or Puka Beach Island. Okay, we were gonna announce it later because sometimes Puka Beach Island has a strong waves. So in order for us to be safe, we need to consider Balinghay Beach. Okay. We were gonna announce it later, but for now, just enjoy the rest of your day and have a safe trip to us. Thank you so much, guys. Okay.
Dangerous si ma'am. Lagi ko siya sa ganito. Sanay na po siya. Mapang ka nga talaga ata.
Babalik ba?
Video po.
Wala na, hindi na babalik? Babalik dito ko. Sa kabila.
Ay, that's it. Kaya lang nagsubo ko. Ay, wala namang ano. May laman lumang akwan.
Sa ilan po kayo bumili mga 200 po isa nito?
May kakalma!
Makoy, may nahanap na ako. Na si Justin. Makoy. Oh.
100%.
Pabor sila, pabor.
Juan Makoy, go, 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 go.
Go.
Kimichi DJ with also at Pionilo and
Doon po.
Hi guys, so welcome on Crystal Cove Island, and as I said, we're gonna stay here around 1 hour. So we have until 11:25. 45 here. Tama? 11:45. So 1 hour, so we have 3 caves here. Cove 1, over this side, uphill, and after that, you just go straight, going to Cove 2. And along the way, this is what you were gonna see later. And after Cove 2, just go back here, and exactly 11:45. Okay? And then comfort room guys, just go straight. Since group tour po tayo dito ma'am, kayo na din po bahala na mag-manage ng time niyo. Pero sasamahan naman namin kayo, pero dito yun namin sabihin kung aalis na ako hindi. Hindi naman, sasama kami sa likod niyo ma'am, pero pag gusto niyo pupuntahan yung mga destination, puntahan niyo lang.
Hindi. Munot lang ka? Ha?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, turo kayo lahat, ma'am.
Ingat po. Hello po. Welcome to Crystal Cove, mga madam. Ingat po. Ang mga mayora ay nagchichill.
Kaya ang problema yung anak ko di marunong mag-video.
Kasi na lang mo yan.
Ako magsasabi, hindi na kita. Wala ate nga magbagnamo dito. Ano yan? Gawa ka mong maigi ang cellphone ko.
Opo.
Kabibigay pa lang.
Yung magbabayad ako ng iPhone 16.
po, pataas po. Alin na kayo, daan na kayo. What is the difference inside?
Ano ma'am?
What really mo?
Maganda kasi yung ano dito ma'am, yung lightning ng araw. Kaya nandito na yan. And rotating first closure due to non-permit and mainly violation. So from now on, it belongs to the government and open to all local and police. Demolish na po yan. And then the side of the Boracay West Slope is the Balinghay Beach. So that is the alternative beach during rainy season of Puka Beach Island. Pero ngayon, direct tayo sa Puka Beach. So yung kaya naman. By exactly 2:10. Yung magkakayak ma'am sir. Ready na po tayo, ready na.